Before we turn it on, we have to check this one, and make sure it's on the middle. Make sure these two is on the middle. Don't like this, or this, you have to on the middle. Don't like this, or don't like this. Now we have to make sure there is no bottle, any bottle or container on these two scan. Then we choose the language. Please confirm that nothing is placed on the electric scan first. Nothing. Then we click the OK. Now you have to wait for seconds. Wait for 3 to 5 seconds to make sure this is zero, right? Now it's zero. Then you can place the bottle on these two scan. Place it. Okay, now it shows the weight of the bottle. So this type of bottle the weight, right? Then click the OK. Then you set the weight you want to fill here. A channel we click 3.5 gram and B channel we click 3 gram. Okay, now this is A channel and this is B channel. Then we click the OK. Then we click here. It was. Okay. Then you just need to, this is the the way you fill. 3.5 and 2.8. And then you just need to change the bottle. Right? Then you just need to change the bottle. Change it. Okay. We have to fill 5 pieces is here, 5 pieces, and B channel is 5 pieces. And this is the quantity you want to fill, right? And if you want to reset the price, reset the quality, reset. And then it became to 0. And this is you want to fill, it's set here. If we want to change the weight of the bottle, change it into this one, then you have to click this bottle. Change the container weight. Okay? Please confirm that nothing is placed. Remove the bottle. And then click the OK. After it becomes to 0, then you place the new bottle. Place the new bottle the way. Yeah, it's right now. It's bigger. And then you click OK. Okay, then you fill the way you want to fill. 6 gram. 6 gram. Click here. Okay, 1 now. Okay, you just change the bottle. Now you just need to change the bottle. This is the way you set. This is it fill. 5.8. It's the same bottle. You don't need to click this one. This one is only you want to change the weight of the bottle, you need to click. Okay? For example, we want to change this bottle to this one. Now we click this one. Please confirm that nothing is placed. Okay, remove this two one. Then we click OK. Okay, you have to after it becomes 0, then you place the new bottle. And then, okay, it's right now. Then click OK. It's 2.2 gram, and then click OK, and click this one. Okay, it's automatic. Okay, let's have a look. It's automatic. Change the bottle. Right, it's automatic. It's automatic. This is the quantity you have filled. Okay? Now you want to stop, you click this bottle, clean, right? Then you remove this arrow. Stop Now you turn, you return the water to the bottle. Return it. Then you please stop.